Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Suica card to Android device. First, make sure you're using a Japan-compatible Android phone and that you have the Google Wallet app installed. Open Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, then choose e-money. From the list, select Suica or Pasmo if that's available in your region. If you don't see Suica in Google Wallet, you can download the Suica app directly from the Play Store. There you can create and manage a virtual Suica card right on your phone. And that's it. You're now ready to use your Android device for quick and easy travel payments in Japan. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.